Hi, I'm Natalie with Fix.com, and in this video, I'll show you the easiest way to clean a blender. So once you've finished with your blender and of course enjoyed your delicious smoothie, all you have to do is fill the blender about halfway with some water, add in a drop of soap, and then blend on high. After blending for about 30 seconds to a minute, it's now ready to get rinsed. And now we can give it a dry. Still have to rinse the cover off, but this will save you a ton of time, especially with really sticky or gunky foods. And if you want to go the extra mile, you can give your blender's base a wipe down and clean in between the buttons with a cotton swab. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like our page on Facebook.